Morning. It's really early, and that's okay. I usually wake up much, much earlier than this, but I don't normally come out this early. I'm trying to start things different, do some new things. You should always try new things, you know? Beautiful birds. I don't mind sharing, but I mean, like, they're eating my honeyberries. I've been very happy with my honeyberries. I don't know if I want to be sharing them with the birds. But, I mean, if I really cared, I guess I would put some netting over them or something. As of right now, I don't have netting over anything. We got fencing, keep the dog out of the gardens. That's really just for the dog. We share with the wildlife. It's kind of like the weeds. The weeds help your soil and stuff improve, and the wildlife help control the pest, which is a pretty good thing. So the birds come in and they go for our berries. Sometimes they're picking seeds off of different seed pods that are forming and stuff. But I mean, like, can you see it right there? Can you see that hole? The hole next to that random cucumber plant that should be growing there, whatever. But that hole there, that's for one of the robins that comes and picks the worms out of the garden. And we have a lot of worms, so I understand that. And you can see on my pepper plants there, like, I like that they come and they eat the bugs. Because the birds will come and they will eat the caterpillars and the random little buggies that eat my garden. But then, once again, they eat my berries. I'm going to have to tell the girls to come out here and pick some berries before the birds eat them all. We encourage the birds because they're good. It's good to have wildlife in your garden in any way you can. And the simplest way to have wildlife in your garden is to encourage birds. And the simplest way to encourage birds, they're so bold. I'm standing like 8 feet away from this bird feeder. But it's such a blessing to the birds that they are bold enough. They don't care. I mean, he flew away. Yeah, because I'm videoing him. But yeah, you try to keep a full bird feeder. That's a good way to encourage birds into your garden. Bring in the wildlife. Bring in the birds. They will eat those creepy crawlers that want to eat your garden. And it's kind of nice just sitting outside listening to birdsong early in the morning. Consider it. Yeah, look into it. See what's needed. Get a bird identifying book and identify what that red bird was. I mean, what the bird is that you have that's a mystery. See you later. God bless you. God bless your garden. Be good. Peace out, fish trout.